Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach the chapter The Rat Trap related to the book Flamingo. Student, firstly, I would like to explain the summary of this chapter, and thereafter I will explain the main points of the story, and thirdly I will just provide the notes. So in this series, firstly I am going to explain the summary of the story, whatever the summary is there, and students are requested to listen it very carefully, very attentively. Thereafter you will be able to understand what the concept of this story. Student, as you know very well that time and tide wait for none, and time is most powerful things in this world. None is superior to time. It can be 100% considered by anybody, anyone. In this story, there is a person who was selling the rat trap. He was very happy. He was leading very enjoyable life in beginning, but one day he thought that this job, this service is not profitable for him, not beneficial for him, because there was no demand of rat trap in the market. So when one day he was roaming, he was wandering, he thought that he should leave this job, this work, and he should start begging or stealing. But after a few moments, he thought that this is not also the good job to steal or to beg door to door. So he was in confusion, he was in perplexion, he was mostly disturbed. He had mental stress at that time, and there was evening. He just knocked the door of a farmer, and the farmer opened the gate. The farmer was the bachelor person, that's why he opened the gate, and he was very happy that he got the company of a person to spend the night. Farmer elaborated everything, means whatever passed in his life before the rat trap seller, and offered him food at night. Time passed away. In the early stage of morning, farmer told that he is going to take the milk of his cow, and he also gave the chance to the rat trap seller to stay inside his house, but rat trap seller ignored it, and he both went in the different direction, but rat trap seller came back and smashed the window of the farmer and stole 30 kroner amount, means from the house of the farmer, and went on, started moving on the road. He thought that if he will move through the highway, then he will be caught by the police. That's why he decided to choose the way of forest. He started moving in the forest, and he was very happy that now he is out of the clutches of the policemen, and he thought that he has done very smart work in his life. But from morning till evening he was just roaming in the forest, but he couldn't get the way to come out from the forest. So he thought that the last time of his life has come, and he was very puzzled. He became hopeless, and he thought that he realized that the entire world is a big rat trap, and he has already caught in the rat trap. It is not easily possible to come out from the rat trap, because in rat trap the mouse, attracted by cheese, entered in the rat trap, enters inside the rat trap to eat the cheese, but my mouse caught inside that. So in the same way, human beings are taking the birth on this land, and they are caught by the relationship, and this become the cause of their death, their end of life, their sorrowful end of life. In the same way, he was very unhappy, but all of a sudden he heard the voice of the machine. He reached, means he just changed the direction of voice, of mills, machines, and he reached in the factory very in different way. He thought that he should spend his night there, and during the time, after some time, after a few moments, the owner of the factory came and visited him. Means rat trap seller introduced himself in a different way. He offered him, the factory owner offered him at home as a guest, but he rejected the offer of the owner of the factory. And the owner of the factory sent his lovely daughter Idla Wilmanson for motivate the rat trap seller as a guest of his house, and Idla Wilmanson motivated very nicely to the rat trap seller, and the rat trap seller went to the house of the factory owner. He spent his Christmas night inside the house of the factory owners, but when factory owners and his daughter Idla Wilmanson both went to the church, then they came to know that the person who has taken the shelter inside their house really he is the thief, and he stole the 30 kunar of a farmer. So they went back very fastly, and when they came back, then they came to know that the person has already gone, and he just wrote a letter and kept inside the house. In the letter it was written that, Dear Idla Wilmanson, I am deeply fascinated to your behavior. You are the person who changed my life, and now I am going to return 30 kunar amount money, whatever I just stole, I am going to return, and I am leaving my rat trap as a Christmas present, Christmas gift to you, and now I am giving you a lot of thanks to changing my life. Now I am very happy, and I am very glad that you met me in my life and you changed my life. I understood the reality of life, and by this way the story is over. And in this story, I just try to convince, I just try to manifest that how a person who was selling the rat trap means in beginning what he thought, means his thinking was different, that he wanted to steal something, he wanted to cheat others, but due to very nice behavior his mind changed and he became a gentle.